Father and son duo Dan and Lincoln of What's Inside take us back to the future and compare the classic IBM 5150 PC to Kano's complete computer kit, a system that will have your kids coding faster than you can power up the 5150.
The size of this thing, super light, not even a pound heavy. Let's look at the keyboard on the world's first personal computer. This be it, right there.
And theirs might be a slight difference.
It was all a dream! In Bat and the Sun's Pool Wars video for Mobile Strike, which flips a pool party into a crazy all-out war zone.
Give me your hand, let's go! Come on! Run! Go, go, go! Don't just stand there, call for reinforcements!
Okay. All right, time to strike.
This collab between Oscar Mayer and MyCupcakeAddiction is so delicious, it makes me want to sing.
There are a bunch of variations on candied bacon depending on the crunch and sweetness you want to achieve. But when it boils down to it, it all starts with the perfect rasher of bacon. I'm opting for Oscar Mayer's naturally hardwood smoked bacon rashers today because they hand cut their bacon, so I know I'm going to get the perfect size and really neat slices once my candied bacon is ready.
New Year, who dis? Sierra Furtado shows us how to enter 2018 all glowed up in this partnership with Origins. As she explains, half of the glow up is all about attitude and making yourself feel confident, but of course a little dust with the makeup brush can help too.
Makeup, I just go in with my favorite tinted lip balm because I'm so lazy and I don't want to use lipstick because this is just so easy to reapply.
In this video, Retro Flame takes us across the pond to Ireland with Absolute Vodka and shows us how to amp up our home bartending skills with some fun cocktail mixes for home entertaining, date night, or my personal favorite, Wednesday at 11 a.m. If you're feeling these videos and you want to see more, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy New Year, and we'll see you in 2018.